Well, gonna have to come back in the spring because metal is frozen in the ground, bud. Got a pile of garbage. I don't bother putting the holes in the propane tanks. Take them to the landfill. They accept them for free as hazardous waste. Tires, I'll take to the dump. Come back in the spring. Friggin' tank still right there. Friggin' railing. A few knickknacks there. Just frozen old barbecue. This thing, this thing. There's some stuff in the barn. A really old fridge. Other miscellaneous metal sheets and wiring and stuff. But it's all frozen still, so I'm not going to be able to do much there. Just people want to pay me to do a garbage run for them. So I'm just getting all the metal recyclables out of here first. Got the old F450 all loaded up. It's got some goodies in there, bud.